Hey, it's Scott from AppPresser. In this video, I wanted to show you a quick overview of how the LearnDash integration works. So I'm going to take my website, which is just a very basic sort of demo site that has LearnDash on it. It's got some courses. You see I have some, if I click into the courses have a lesson, and I have a quiz, and some topics, and some just the basic things that you would find on a LearnDash site. And now I want to put this into a mobile app for iOS and Android and allow my students to be able to log in and view the courses, complete the content, take the quizzes, and do everything that they would do on the website through the app. So I'm going to show you how that works with AppPresser. So the first step is to purchase AppPresser. You're going to get some plugins and a theme which you need to install on your site. So if I go over to my WordPress website, I'm going to activate and install a couple of the plugins. The AppPresser Core plugin, which you just go to Plugins, Add New, and search for AppPresser. And then also the App LMS plugin, which is our LearnDash integration plugin, and any other plugins that you like. So for example, App Buddy, if you're going to be also using BuddyPress, App Camera, things like that, which I'm not going to cover in this video. And then obviously we have our LearnDash plugin installed. We have our courses and our lessons and everything like that in here. So when I sign up for AppPresser, I'm going to get access to the My AppPresser dashboard, which looks like this, minus the test apps. You're going to be able to create your app and customize it and then build it for the app stores, all in our visual app builder. So the first thing I'm going to do is create an app. I'm going to call it LearnDash Demo. And I'm going to just stick with the generic template, and I'm going to click Create App. Next, you're going to go through a couple steps making sure you install the AppPresser plugin and theme and configured it correctly. And you're going to add the site slug and app ID in the AppPresser settings, which would be, if I go to my WordPress admin, click on the AppPresser, you're going to see the site slug and the app ID, enter it and save it there. Next, I'm going to install the AppPresser theme. So you just go to Appearance and then Themes. Install the theme, the Ion AP3 theme, but you do not activate it. That's only going to be active in the app, does not affect your normal website at all. So then I'm going to click Connect My WordPress Site. So I'm going to add in my URL. Click Verify URL, and it's going to make sure that we have everything installed correctly, and I'm going to click Finished. So here you'll be on the app dashboard, where you have some options here which we go over in other videos. I'm going to stick to just showing you how to install the LearnDash integration. So the first thing we're going to do is visit our app. You're going to see we have just some basic pages that have been created for you, and we're going to go ahead and customize those. So on my home page, I actually want, instead of this default setting, I want to actually make this my courses page. So I'm going to call it Courses. And then if you go to the AppPresser documentation and you search for LearnDash, this is at docs.apppresser.com, then you'll see that we have the information on how to actually set this all up. So if I'm going too fast for you, you can just visit our documentation and view this. So the first step is to create our course list page after we've installed AppPresser. We have an AP list component here. I'm going to show you what that does, but basically we can just copy and paste this into our custom page, and then I'm going to change the URL to match my site. This is a WP API endpoint. You can add in the number of courses you'd like to show here, and also other URL parameters that the API takes, which you can see in our documentation. But I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then when I go to my menu, I'm going to go ahead and add that page that we just created called Courses, and add that to the menu. I'm going to save it. And then whenever we add a custom HTML page, we have to rebuild the app because it actually compiles the file inside the app. Now you'll see that on our homepage we now have these courses. You can obviously customize the way that this is displayed. You can go single column, you can display it as a different type of list. You can add in some featured courses at the top, some custom links, some custom text, whatever you want to do here. But now this is in our app, and you'll see that I have all my courses that I have on the website. So if I were to click into one of the courses, you'll see that it's going to show me the course page. I have course status, and then I have course content. And if there were course materials, those would be displayed here as well. And if I click into one of the lessons, you'll see that I can view my lesson. If it has a video or whatever it is, I can click on Mark Complete, and then it's going to tell me that because I only had that one lesson, now it shows me that I completed the course. If I were to go into a different lesson, you'll see that I have some course materials here, which I can also download for offline, and course content. And then I can even go into one that has a quiz. And if I were to go into the course content here, I can go in and actually take the quiz. So that's the basic integration for LearnDash. Now you can customize this a lot. You can add lots of different menu links and use the other app presser features we have, like displaying blog posts in your app and setting up push notifications. But I'm saving those for another video, which you can find on our YouTube channel. So I hope this helps, and check out our documentation if you get stuck at all.